As Nigeria observes World Humanitarian Day 2024 with the theme Act for Humanity, the call to protect humanitarian workers has become more urgent, especially now that Nigeria is battling a complex insecurity situation. The rising number of attacks on humanitarian workers has become troubling and demands immediate and urgent action. While addressing this ugly trend, Ahmed emphasized the critical importance of protecting humanitarian workers at this time.
As a nation, Nigeria has been deeply affected by conflicts that have displaced millions and created an urgent need for humanitarian assistance. Our country is home to all of us, an organization who work tirelessly to bring relief to those affected by crisis. Today, I call upon all stakeholders to intensify in carrying out their duties. Today, I call upon all stakeholders to intensify our efforts to protect humanitarian workers and civilians in conflict zones.
The principles of international humanitarian law, particularly the 1948 Geneva Convention and its additional protocols, mandate the protection of humanitarian workers. Despite Nigeria being a signatory to this established legal framework, the country has continued to witness an increase in attacks on humanitarian workers. According to the National Commission for Refugees, Migrant and Internally Displaced Persons, between 2020 and 2024, there have been 49 reported incidents affecting 79 humanitarian workers, including the tragic killing of an aid worker and an attack on United Nations facility in Borno State that resulted in the death of 20 internally displaced persons.
In 2024 alone, no fewer than 26 humanitarian workers in Nigeria have been kidnapped, ambushed, or assaulted while carrying out their duties. These attacks are not just crime against individuals. They are blatant violation of international humanitarian law. The Geneva Conventions, to which all African nations are signatories, clearly stipulate that the international targeting of humanitarian workers is a war crime.
As Nigeria commemorates yet another World Humanitarian Day, it's a powerful reminder of the importance of support for humanitarian efforts and, more importantly, the need to prioritize the safety of the vulnerable. Frank Omalape, Arise News.